Namaskar and good morning. Today we'll take a look at another good pharmaceutical and chemical company called IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited. It's a leading organic chemical manufacturer, manufactures active pharmaceutical ingredients, organic chemicals and intermediates. The management consists of Rajinder Mohan Malla, Chairman and Independent Director, Varinder Gupta, Managing Director, Vijay Garg, Joint Managing Director, Vikas Gupta, Executive Director. Let's take a look at the sales, at the results. Net sales are 460 crores in the latest quarter, Q1. Previous quarter slightly less, 441 crores. And year ago quarter 493 crores. So with reference to Q1 of last year, there is a degrowth of 6.63%, but with reference to the previous quarter, there is a growth of 4.22%. Again, 460 crores, degrowth of 6.63 or 7% year on year, and quarter on quarter, there is a growth of 4%. Net profit, if you come, there are no exceptional items or anything like that. A net profit is 128 crores. Previous quarter, 90 crores, and year ago quarter, 85 crores. So there is a year on year growth of 49% and quarter on quarter growth of 41%. I repeat, net profit 128 crores. Previous quarter 90 crores and year ago quarter 85 crores. Year on year growth in net profit is 49%. Quarter on quarter growth in net profit is 41%. Equity share capital is 58.7 crores. Basic EPS is 22.3. There also 49% growth year on year, 41% growth quarter on quarter. Market price 829. 52-week low is 147, 52-week high is 898, currently 829. So it is closer to the 52-week high. If Q2 is very good, now you have seen net sales are slightly down, but net profits are good enough. But if you can, that could be the effect of COVID also. We don't know, but if Q2 produces brilliant sales and profits, IOL can produce really wonderful results. The market at present is sellers are more, buyers are less sometimes. Dividend record is good enough. Generally 3 rupees per share. Now, for the last 5 years, they are giving their dividends. Now, let us look at the annual results. Annual results, latest March 20 ended year, 1,894 crores. Its previous year, 1,685 crores. Its previous year, 983 crores. Its previous year, 710 crores. March 16, that is 5th previous year, 580 crores. So, from 580 crores in 5 years ago, now it is 1,894, 3 times. So, sales growing by 3 times in 5 years is very impressive. Now, likewise, net profit 5 years ago it was minus 40. Now it is 361 crores, gradual improvement, but very significant improvement. March 20 year, 361 crores. So both sales and net profits over the last 5 years has been very impressive. So Q1 results, net sales may have not improved, maybe due to COVID or whatever, but profits have improved reasonably well, and Q2 could be much better. Now historical prices, if you look at that, 3 years before 60 rupees was the price. Now the growth is 1257% in 3 years. 2 years before the price was 143, then also 473% increase in price compared to today. 1 year before 184, see 345% increase in prices. 3 months before it was 820. Compared to that also there is an improvement 118%. So price has been increasing impressively over the last 3 years. So IOL Chemicals has given good rewards to people, investors. Now if you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters hold 43.69%. In fact, in the latest quarter they have increased the shareholding by about 2%. Pledge is 0. So they have been acquiring. So that's a point you need to note. FIIs hold 6.5%, DIs hold 25.73%, and so on. Shareholding pattern also is impressive. Now, if you look at the per share ratios, basic EPS has grown from -8 5 years ago to 64 rupees in the March 20 year. Now book value has grown from 33 to 143. Good. Dividend per share is 3. Face value is 10 rupees. Gross profit margin has grown from 9% to 31%. Operating profit margin has grown from 4% to 29%. Net profit margin has grown from -7 to 19% in the last 5 years. Now, return on net worth has grown from -44 to 44%. ROCE, return on capital employed, that also has grown from -8 to 62%. Return on assets has grown from -5 to 31%. All impressive. Debt equity ratio almost nil. Interest coverage ratio is very good at 26. 3-year CAGR of sales is 39%. Very impressive. 3-year CAGR net profit is 261%. Now promoters have been increasing the shareholding. Now trailing 12 months EPS has been growing very well, we have seen. Quarter on quarter EPS also has grown. Net profit and net profit margin have increased quarter on quarter, year on year. Annual net profits have also been increasing in the last 2 years. Zero promoter pledge. FIIs have been increasing their shareholding. Operating profit and profit margins have improved year on year. Price has shown reasonable or rather strong momentum. So the price earning is moderate. See, though price has increased, still compared to the profits earned, EPS, the price earning ratio is moderate. Now, if you look at the charts, April 20, I have said in some other videos also, April 20 was the lowest point for most companies. So for IOL Chemicals also, it was the lowest point, lowest at 154. From then onwards, it has been rising and rising and rising. Sometimes may not rise, slight fall and rise are there. Now monthly technical rating, if you look at that, it is bullish. Market capital is 4,882 rupees. Book value is 139. Dividend percentage is 30%. So price to book is 5.99%. Face value is 10 rupees. See, though current quarter sales are down 6.63% year on year, earlier it was usually up. Actually, March 2019 quarter, the sales were up by 46.87%. And December 2018 quarter, it was up by 82%. So, overall, IOL history is very good. Though the latest quarter was slightly affected in respect of sales, not in respect of net profits. So, IOL is a good share. But take a look at the Q2 and then make your choices. Of course, IOL has been having a good history. Hopefully it will have a good history in the future also. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with another good share. I repeat, IOL is good. Though latest sales are showing a degrowth slightly, but that is in COVID quarter. So next quarter there is likely to be sufficient improvement. Thank you.